I just figured I'd stop that, so just in case I had to, I'm making an extreme video part. Center of the storm has finally reached my location. Still waiting on some good lightning strikes. The hail we have yet to receive, that I can tell at least. And to think I was about to go to bed before the storm hit. I would have been mad at myself if I did. Oh yeah, that really messed with my phone again. Good rumble. Come on. And that was weak. I don't get it. We have a lot of rain, good lightning strikes, weak thunder tonight. The thunder is my favorite thing about the storms, but obviously I ain't gonna get any good rumble. I believe we're getting some hail. I believe it sounded like a piece hit. Sounded like a piece hit my call, but I cannot tell if we're getting any hail yet. I believe the center of the storm has passed. The rain is letting up. Like they did say it was going to be a quick moving storm. And I do believe there's a fire somewhere. There we go. That was a decent rumble. Still pretty weak, but it was decent. Yes, I do believe we got a fire going somewhere around here from a lightning strike, or I don't know. We still have power, so power lines did not cause the fire that I do smell. Maybe I'm just smelling things. Who knows? But that was the storm. We are now on the back side. It's not really raining anymore, I don't believe. It is barely raining now, so I do believe I am going to stop recording and encode these videos and get them on YouTube. It's quit raining. The rain has succeeded. Subside, whatever. The rain's quit. Put it at that. There is no more rain falling from the sky in my location. Now it's just lightning and thunder. End of video.